Welcome to the Crystal Ball Guided Meditation, where we make crystal ball gazing fun and easy. Listen along and you'll be sure to learn something about your past, present, and future. To prepare for the session, choose a crystal ball to use. It can be a large sphere that stands in front of you, or a smaller orb that you hold in the palm of your hands. If you don't have a crystal ball yet, check out the Satin Crystals Crystal Ball Collection. Be sure to clean, charge, and program your sphere before beginning. These instructions can also be found at Satin Crystals. Find a peaceful place, light it with candles, clear it with sage, and decorate with additional crystals to create the right vibration. Prepare a glass of water and a pair of Moki marbles or your favorite grounding stones for after the session. Look into your crystal ball and observe its outside surfaces. Be aware of its color, its textures, its patterns. Is it solid, clear, or something in between? Study your sphere and focus all of your attention on the beautiful gemstone before you. Keep observing. If other thoughts pop into your head, allow them to fade into the stone and find yourself focused again on your crystal ball. If your crystal ball has clarity, let your mind sink deep into the layers of the stone, going deeper and deeper. If your sphere has an opaque picture pattern, get lost in the lines and designs. If your sphere is a solid color, study its reflections, grooves, and textures. The more you focus on your crystal ball, the more you begin to relax your mind and your body. Breathe deeply and comfortably, and if you desire, allow your vision to blur and enter a more trance-like state. It is completely up to you if you wish to continue journeying with your eyes open or closed. Go with your intuition. It always leads you to the correct place. The singing bowl indicates your time to journey for however long you wish. As you meld and become one with your crystal ball, you absorb its timeless powers and infinite wisdom. The sphere is the perfect universal shape, intended to help you see in every direction. You are about to embark on a journey beyond the confines of time to gain a glimpse in the past, present, and future. Your first visit will be back in time to the past. You can ask your crystal ball to show you a specific scene in your life, or even a scene in the history of the universe. There are no limits. You can also just leave your mind blank and allow whatever visions to come. If you have a special request or a specific time or place you want to go in the past, mentally ask your crystal ball to take you there now. Otherwise, follow along, open your mind to whatever your gemstone wants to show you. Now gaze into your sphere deeper and deeper. With your eyes open, or using your third eye with your physical eyes closed. Let the visions of the past come. Take a few minutes to be an observer. Don't force anything. Just let the universe work for you. Go back now. Now that you have got a glimpse of the past, your crystal ball wants to show you something important that is happening in the present moment. It could be in relation to your own life or something completely unrelated. If you have a specific vision you wish to seek, ask your sphere to take you there. Otherwise, open your mind to whatever comes. Begin your present gazing now. Finally, you are ready to visit the future. Once again, if you have a specific question or vision you wish to be shown, ask it of your crystal ball. Otherwise, release your thoughts and surrender to the sphere. Move into the future now. You have now had a chance to gaze into your crystal ball and experience a new sensation. You might have seen vivid scenes through time, and that is wonderful. You might have seen nothing at all, and that's okay too. Feel good knowing that each time you practice crystal ball gazing, the visions become clearer and the pathway to enter the subconscious state becomes easier. Eventually, it will be second nature to you. Now turn your attention back to your crystal ball. Give it gratitude for being your vessel through time and space. The next time you want to do gazing, you can simply pick up this crystal sphere or a different one and lead yourself to the trance of wisdom. You are about to return back to your physical reality. To realign your astral body back with the physical realm, go ahead and rub your fingers along the sphere. Let the motion and movement get the blood flowing back to your hands and then sensations flowing back to your body. With each motion, you become more aware of your physical surroundings. Listen to the sounds in the room. Notice the feeling in your body. And if your eyes are closed, open them now. Take your time to readjust and reflect upon your experiences. Your journey is now complete. After your crystal ball gazing session, you may feel a little spacey because your frequency has shifted. Allow yourself time to enjoy this natural high and slowly integrate back into the physical world. Hold on to your Moki marble stones and drink your water to completely ground back to reality. If you enjoyed this crystal ball gazing meditation, join us at Satin Crystals for additional guided meditations, positive affirmations, and to shop for a whole collection of boutique crystals. While you're there, join the Satin Crystals VIP Club for members-only specials throughout the year. As always, thank you for spreading the positive energy throughout the world, and thank you for your positive vibrations at Satin Crystals.